Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, I want to teach you some spiritual and physical uses of the garlic. This channel, we have talked about how to use the garlic for favor and stuff, even to do away with negative energies and then to do away with spiritual marriage and stuff. So please, if you have not watched that video, kindly go through the videos and then look at the garlic and salt direction for favor, business, spiritual marriage and stuff, and watch that video. But today we are going to talk about how to use the garlic and then garlic for physical uses as well as spiritual uses. So we shall start with the physical uses and then we shall also talk about the spiritual uses. So now let's talk about how you are going to use it for physical purposes, and then after that we come to how to use it for spiritual purposes. So if you have high BP, you can be cutting the garlic into pieces and then you swallow it with water first thing in the morning. So if you do that continuously for 2 weeks, your BP will become normal. And then if you are also somebody who always eats the garlic raw, if you always eat it raw like that, it is going to help you. So please, garlic works best when you eat it raw. So apart from using it for soup, you can grind it raw before you fetch the soup onto it and then you use it for your food. And then that is going to help you a lot. If you are also somebody who is always battling UTI, you can grind some garlic and then you fetch 2 spoons of it into warm water and then you drink. So after drinking, you now also go to the pharmacy and then buy mixed potassium citrate. So that one too, you add 2 spoons of it into warm water and then you drink. So if you do these two things, it is going to clear the UTI from you. If you also have other infections, you can also use the garlic. The garlic is a natural antibiotic, so it is going to help you a lot. You can soak the garlic with clove, raw turmeric, and then ginger, and then it is going to clear all infections. So what you do is that you get a bulb of garlic, a full one, and then you peel it. You also get ginger, and then you peel it. You also get raw turmeric, and then you peel it. Now you get cloves. So these 4 items, you wash them nicely, you put them in a bottle, and then you add some water to it. You cover it, and then you allow it to soak for about 3 days. And then after 3 days, every morning and evening after eating, you take half a glass. And then it is going to help you to cleanse the infection from you. But please, this is not for people with ulcer and then lactating mothers. If you have ulcer, kindly go through the videos and then you see that we have a remedy for ulcer for you on the channel. If you cannot also find it, you can also contact me, DeRemedist, on Facebook. If you send me private message, I will help you with the medicine for ulcer. So now let's look at the spiritual uses of the garlic. Now let's move from the physical uses to the spiritual uses. So spiritually, if you regularly burn the peels of garlic in your house from time to time, only the peels, it is going to drive away all negative energies from your house for you. And then also, if you put it in your wallet, if you are such that if you always put a clove of garlic, a small one in your wallet, it is going to stabilize your financial capability. You always have money. And then if you are such that you always lose money for no reason. So there are some people, they will tell you they always lose money spiritually. Whenever they put money down, they will not see the money. If you are such a person, just be keeping a clove of garlic in your money, and then all those things are going to leave you. And then also those people who always have nightmares, you always have bad dreams. You dream somebody's chasing you, you dream somebody's trying to harm you, you always have bad dreams. What you do is that you keep 2 or 3 cloves of garlic under your pillow, and then all those scary dreams will just leave you. And then also, if you feel negative energy around you, you just have to put a clove of garlic near your pillow when you sleep at night, and then all those things will leave you. And then also, if you always dream that you have eaten, the moment you wake up, you are supposed to chew a clove of garlic, but before you chew it, you recite Psalm 35 on the clove of garlic and you chew it. It is going to neutralize the evil food that you have eaten in your dream, and then it is not going to harm you in any way. And then also, if you want peace in your house, every Tuesday and Saturday, or once a while, every Tuesday and Saturday, you can burn garlic, a bulb of garlic or cloves of garlic in your house, and then you are going to have peace. There are some people, they always don't have peace. You may not even know the actual problem they are facing, but there is always trouble in their house. If you do this, it is going to help you. And then if you also have financial crisis all the time, you are always disturbed, you don't have money, you can tie 2 cloves of garlic in a red cloth, and then you bury it with your intentions that may you receive financial favor. So you just take 2 cloves of garlic and then you get a red cloth, and then you tie it into two. You say your intentions of lack of money on it, and then you just bury it with your intentions. Then things are going to turn around for you. And then also, if you have a wife or husband who is such that he or she is very stubborn, when you say things to the person to do, the person is not listening to you. You can just have to put a clove of garlic under their pillow, a very small clove of garlic, just one, like the one you see in the bowl in the on the screen. You just put one of that under the person's pillow, and then the person is going to be listening to you. The person will always have you alone in their mind. And then also, if you are such that you hang a clove of garlic at the doorpost, if you hang it at your doorpost, it is going to drive away all negative energies and then spiritual attack to you. And then also, if you are going to meet somebody that you don't trust, maybe you think that the person is going to harm you or do something evil to you, you can decide to grind garlic and then apply some of the paste. You just have to rub the paste in your palm. And then after doing that, all that you do is that you now go with vim and then meet the person. The person cannot harm you in any way. So these are some of the spiritual and then physical uses of the garlic. If you have not also watched the video on how to use the garlic for favor and stuff, you can go through the videos and then do that. But I may add it here. So please, if you have not watched that video, all that I said in the video is that if you are such that you have negative energies, like when you sleep with somebody, the person brings you bad luck or stuff, what you can do is that you get 3 full bulbs of garlic, you grind it. You can decide not to even peel it. You just have to grind it very well. So after grinding it with the chaff and stuff, you now boil some water. So as the water boils, you can add 4 spoons of sea salt. Sea salt is available on the market. You can add 4 spoons of the sea salt to the water. So we are going to boil a gallon of water, and then you are going to use 4 spoons of the sea salt. So after adding, you now have to add the blended garlic to it, and then you allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you now have to sieve it. Then after sieving, you now pour it into a gallon and then you cover it. So every night you just have to pour some of this water into your bathing water to rinse your body. So after bathing your normal bath with soap and sponge, you now use this to rinse your body, and then you are not going to use towel to clean your body. You just allow it to dry on you. And then this should be something that you do last thing at night. After doing that, you are not supposed to go out again. Just go inside and then you pray. If you have any other cream, you can use it to, you can smell it on your body. If you have king grass oil that I always talk about. If you have some, you can apply it on your body. So if you have a spiritual marriage or something like that, you can do this particular direction. And then all those things are going to leave you. If you want the full video for this, you can just scroll through the videos, and then you see the garlic and salt direction, or how to use garlic and salt for favor. If you search the videos that I've posted on my channel here, you can easily get that video, and it is going to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like, comment, and share the link. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more remedies.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.